guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming back. And in this video I wanted to share a secret that I recently discovered with you guys. Shh, don't tell anyone. No, I'm just kidding. Tell everyone. I have recently discovered an amazing oil that is going to help in promoting hair growth. And also for those that are graying out, it also helps to minimize your hair from graying out. I know a lot of people find it weird when they find like strands of gray hair. I personally don't mind. I think gray hair is beautiful, but to each their own. Everyone has things that they like and things they don't like. And this oil will make a huge difference in either reducing the gray hairs that grows or preventing them for a long time. This oil is called rice bran oil. Yes, I said it. I mentioned rice again. I know I have been obsessed with rice water, and I really do have to tell you that rice water works amazingly. I've been spraying rice water in my hair on a daily basis, and I've noticed that my hair sheds a lot less, right? There's been a huge difference with my hair shedding. Secondly, my hair feels a lot softer. It's not as dry. My hair's been growing a lot faster, I think at a more rapid rate in comparison to just using other products, because I've been spraying rice water in my hair pretty much on a daily basis. And also I haven't been manipulating my hair, so I've just left my hair to grow. And I think these things have really made a difference. Also, like I mentioned, I recently discovered rice bran oil, and for those who've never heard of it before, rice bran oil is from the continent of Asia. And that's how I discovered it. I just had an idea and I began to do my research. And this oil is amazing. Not only is it great for your hair, it's great for your skin. And guess what? You can cook with it as well. I guess a lot of people have made some comparisons with rice bran oil and olive oil. It's basically the same uses, but this has even better minerals. It has better vitamins and amazing benefits as well. Okay guys, so I just wanted to show you very quickly how to get a hot oil treatment. So there are two ways to do the hot oil treatment. You can either apply the oil directly to your hair strands and your scalp, detangle, wear a conditioning cap and just sit on a hooded dryer, which allows your hair cuticles to open up and soak up all the benefits of the oil that you use. Or if you're being lazy like I am today, I have lots of things to do. What I've done is I've boiled some water and poured it in a bowl, and I've simply placed the oil in the hot water. Okay, so this is what it looks like. If you look closely, you can actually see the steam. Okay, so you just place the oil in a bowl and just allow it to warm up. And as you can see, it's quite warm. So I'm just gonna wait for this to heat up nicely, and I will come back and show you how to apply this to your hair. So my hair is extremely dry, so I'm gonna start off by spraying a generous amount of rice water to my hair just to soften it and to make my hair a lot easier to manage and to part. And again, my go-to before styling or dealing with my hair is to ensure that I part it into 4 sections. 4 sections is just the easiest way for me to manage my hair when I'm either going to wash it, detangle or style it. So 4 sections makes it easier. So if your hair is thicker, you can part it into 6 or even 8 sections. So I wanted to show you in a sped up section how I apply the oil. So once again, I start by saturating that section with rice water, and I take the oil and add a generous amount to the tip, to my scalp and to my hair strands. Don't forget that it's important to completely coat your hair to get that benefit of the oil to soak into your hair. I just wanted to give you a quick a list of the benefits of rice bran oil. It nourishes our hair, and it's not limited or restricted to any hair type. Anyone can use this oil. The rice bran oil is rich in omega-3 and 6 fatty acids, which helps to nourish the hair. And so if you have frizzy hair, this oil will help to manage your hair. And just make sure you massage the oil into your strands extremely well, okay, to get the best out of it. For those that are graying out, you can also use this oil. It helps to prevent premature graying of hair. Apart from that, there's a lot of minerals, antioxidants. This oil has so much benefits. And also remember, don't forget to be gentle when you're detangling your hair, and always detangle your hair with moisture. So once I'm done, I'm just gonna twist up all my hair and just wrap it up and allow the oil to soak in. So I'm completely done here, as you can see, but one thing I forgot to do was to oil my edges. As you can see, to the left hand side, my edges, I've lost a lot of my edges, so I'm just going to use this oil, as this oil provides nourishment and replenishment. This should help to regrow your edges. Just make sure you massage and try to leave your edges when you're getting your hair done. Hi guys, that's my hair completely detangled, and this literally took me about 20 minutes, I think, and that even included some interruptions here and there. And once you've detangled your hair, if you detangle your hair before you shampoo, it actually makes washing so much quicker, and you find that you won't struggle when you're in the shower rinsing out and washing out the oil and using your shampoo. So I will advise that before you actually wash your hair, just detangle it. Don't forget to use product or water or rice water to detangle. Add any sort of conditioner that you like to it, and just sit on your hooded dry, allow it to soak up all the moisture, and then go ahead and rinse it off. Trust me, your hair will feel really soft, and this will really aid your hair in growing to the length that you want. Of course, everything takes time, so your hair's not going to grow really long overnight. You just need to be patient and just look after your hair. All right, that's it guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions or comments, again, don't forget to leave them down below. Why don't you just let me know how long your detangling takes, or why don't you try my method and let me know if there's a difference at all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.